Here's how to create auto replies on Instagram in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Auto replies only work on creator or business accounts. Personal accounts do not support this feature. Open Instagram, go to your profile. If you see professional dashboard, you're good to go. If not, switch to a creator or business account first. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Scroll to Messages and Story Replies. Tap Message Requests. Make sure Allow Access to Messages is turned on. Now open the App Store or Play Store and install Meta Business Suite. This is Meta's official tool for Instagram automations. Open Meta Business Suite. Tap Log In with a different account. Then choose Log In with Instagram. Select your account and tap Allow. Tap More at the bottom right. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Automations under Instagram Settings. Tap Instant Reply. Toggle Instagram on. Tap the pencil icon to customize your message. Delete the default text and type your own reply. Example: Thanks for reaching out. We'll get back to you shortly. Tap Save. Now, when someone sends you a message, Instagram will automatically reply. This only replies once per conversation. It doesn't replace real replies. And that's it. That's how to create an auto reply on Instagram in 2026. Subscribe for more Instagram tips.